Oh, hell no. Hey guys, it's Chandra, and your girl's about to try on some wigs today. I'm so excited. I wanted this all my life, honestly. Um, I just think it's gonna be fun, right? Switch up your look, don't have to do anything to your hair. And I went for some cheap wigs that I found on Amazon. They look like they had some good reviews. I saw some people trying them on and stuff, but I went for like really different. So I got some wig caps. Woo! And let's go ahead and get it. All right, so of course, we need to put this wig cap on. So what should okay, I know you gotta make your hair really flat. Okay. All right, got like a low bun. Let me do. All right, that's as flat as I can make my head. Wow, she's a swimmer. um, Cute. Should I do two? Maybe? Is this flat enough? Let's try one more, because I don't know. One more stocking cap. This is like a wave cap, no? I don't know. Did anybody else have to wear like stockings or like pantyhose on their head whenever they were a little kid? Was it just me? Comment below. Okay, this looks real flat and sleek. All right, I'm not supposed to put my ears, so let's see if I can pop these. And I'm not gluing anything. I think all of them have, I went with ones that have like bangs because I don't want to glue anything. I'm scared of that. My edges are already struggling, okay? Okay, so this is the first one. Clean it as that. All right. She's a curly one. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Okay, so I really don't know how this is gonna be because I feel like, I'm pretty sure they had like a picture of like lipstick and curls. So I guess this is the back because it has the combs. All right, let's. Oh, hell no. What the heck? What? I'm keeping this tag on because I am not. What is this? Okay, let's see if we can do something with her. Okay, it's not even going over my hump. My hair hump in the back. Uh-uh. No. Do I need to comb her out a bit or what? Maybe. Is this a look? Hold on. Hold. Okay, I'm pulling it down a little more. Do I look like, oh my gosh. Does this look good or no? No, it doesn't. I'm trying to help it, but I look like somebody auntie. Does this, hold up, I'm just bugging. Tell me, let me know in the comments below. Is this my eyes or the camera? Maybe the camera just makes me look, huh? No, 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 no. But honestly, I feel like the wigs help with like seeing what looks good with you and what doesn't. I've always wanted this color hair, like, you know how curly girls be dyeing their hair blonde and stuff, but your girl would never do that because I don't have time to be dealing with all that damage or like high maintenance upkeep stuff. No. Y'all let me know. Rate these. Like, you know, first, second, last, or whatever, what the scoring is, which one is best. This isn't bad, but I just don't think that the shape is right for my head, maybe. Maybe if I keep, does this look better? Does this look better? I don't know if I'm bugging or not. Maybe I'm just not used to it. Like, does this look like, hi. Hey guys, I'm Chandra. The bottom. I think maybe I just need to like tease it a bit. Okay, just ignore the tag. This is a cute look that, oh, if I just stay right here. What? Oh, I think we onto something, baby. I don't know. Let me know. This is kinda cute. I don't know. All right, on to the next one. So fresh. Having no hair is pretty freeing, honestly. Like, all right, next one. All right, so we have this. This one's a long black number. Let's see how she turns out. I'm a little scared because like when stuff is just like when it's a black, because I don't think I ordered just a normal black. I thought it was supposed to be like natural black, but this looks like fake black. Oh, hell no. Look at this. Look at the top. Can you see that? You can totally see the tracks that they sewed in. Oh, Lord. All right. So this one doesn't have clips in the back, but it has this. I've never seen this for a wig review. This looks like for bras. Oh, hell, I'm not strapping this in like that. I feel like it'll get stuck or something. Like this. That's not right. Okay, this person already gypped me, I already know. But let's see what we can do. All right. Oh, this one can go over my hump at least. Oh. What in the world? What is this? Oh no. They got me. Do I push it back a little? Okay. All right, all right. Is this how it goes? What is this? Oh, why is this? Hold on. Let me, okay, I'm gonna secure it how they want me to. I think this is how they want me to, because I can't have this thing just hanging on my sides. That's it. This is really secure, actually. Maybe if I wear like a hat with it, if a hat can fit over my head. Ooh. Wow. Am I bugging or does this look good? Wow. Not bad. Not bad. This is like, I feel like middle school days, you know, every freaking body. If you're a 90s kid, everybody had a swoop at some point, right? Hold on, let me put on a hat. I think we can work with this. All right, so we have, oh, does this look too fake if I have a hat on? It won't even fit over my head. No. No, okay. That doesn't work. Maybe like a beanie, if I wore a beanie or something. This isn't bad though, if people don't look up at the top of my head. Does this look too fake? Okay, this little swoop-de-doop, a bang. It's a real bang. Cause this, all right. What do you think? Does this look normal? I don't know. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. All these wigs, I feel like they were like $20 or less. I'm gonna put everything down below if you're interested in trying anything out. This is just fun, you know, if you want to like role play with your boo thing or something, or just go out and have a new look. Like if you're not meeting up with anybody and you don't know anybody, you could just put on a little disguise and just change your look up. I think this is really cute. All right. Is this first, second, or third? We'll see what the last one's talking about. All right, let me take this off. Ow. Okay, let me take this hook thing. Okay, last wig. Comes in a box. Aw, this is cute. They give earrings. Some little tattoo things. Is this meaning like, oh, I'm a child or something? I'm just kidding. How sweet. And it also comes with a wig cap, but we're using mine. So this one's fun. This one's gonna be a fun one. Oh, look at her. Okay. So, Chance, it's okay. Don't bark. Thank you. All right. Ooh. adjust her a bit. It's all up in my eyes, dude. Okay, and then okay, the clip is secured. What do you think? How cute. I think I may need to cut the bangs a little bit because it's all up in my eyes, but is she a look or nah? I could really go out with this one. Okay, how does the back look? Tell me. Is there, can you see the bump? Ooh. I'm getting, what was that one movie? Scott Pilgrim. You know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, leave it down below. I'll put a picture of the old girl beside. But how fun. I've never dyed my hair like any type of fun color. Never had a haircut like this either. I haven't even had like a straight across bang before. Ooh! Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. I love it. Okay, so once again, all these wigs are really inexpensive. If you liked any of them, I will leave them down below. They are affiliate links, so you're helping your girl out if you click on it. But if not, you can go ahead and search if you want. I love you guys to the moon and back. Don't forget to subscribe. I am almost at 15,000. And I'm thinking once I get to 15,000, I'm going to do like a giveaway. So let's keep on going. Join the fun, join the love, and share this with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another video. And comment down below which one was your favorite and rank them. 1 is the best, 2, of course, second place, and then 3 is the last. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.